So quite a lot of effort, and I'll show you, goes into making sure that we have as much as a direct contact as possible with our patient. It doesn't mean you have to stare at the screen. Positive aspects of cyberspace: temporal flexibility. Many of our clients that are open to working online are very computer savvy. This is how you check your broadband. Can you please ensure it meets the requirements? So we have as trouble-free process as possible. And I will often tell them, and ideally, if you download it on your phone as well, you'll have the backup of your phone. If we do not invest sufficiently in getting the setting right, then we are going to be worried. And there's going to be a disruption in the contact making, in the building of the alliance. The eye contact, I'll show you when I do it live. The eye contact happens if you realize I leave very little space above my head. And generally that's enough. When we are establishing eye contact, we're not really just looking focused on each other's eyes. It's about the general direction. And that's normally enough. The scene is composed in a way as to convey something of the patient's inner realities. Does the scene speak of rigidity, mess, balance, chaos, instability, focus, visibility or lack of visibility?